Okay, adding and subtracting polynomials. Let me give you an example here. That's the best way to work these. Let's say you have 3x squared plus 7x, it's all in parentheses, plus 4, minus negative 5x squared minus 8x minus 5. It's all in parentheses. All of that is in parentheses. Now, here's the thing. When it is subtraction, right here, when we have subtraction, you have to distribute that to everything inside the parentheses. And when you're distributing, it's like multiplying by negative 1. Now, here's the deal. On the left side right here, just drop the parentheses and rewrite it. 3x squared plus 7x plus 4. That's all you're going to do. That's all you have to do. Now, and yes, you have to do this on paper. Now, all you're doing here is distributing this negative. A negative times a negative is a positive. So that becomes plus 5x squared. Negative times negative 8x makes that plus 8x. A negative times negative 5 makes that plus 5. That's very important when you subtract. So now you start with the highest power. Here's the highest power, squared. Oops, sorry about that. So this is, you've got 3x squared plus 5x squared. So what's 3x squared plus 5x squared?
8x squared.
Yeah, 8x squared. So we get 8x squared. Now, your next highest power is to the first power. So that would be 7x plus 8x. So what's 7x plus 8x? What's 7 plus 8?
15.
15. So it becomes plus 15x. Now, your last thing that you have to do is your constants. You got plus 4 plus 5. What's 4 plus 5? 9. So there's your answer right there. That's your answer. Questions so far? Okay, let me give you another one. This one should be um, addition. All right, let's look at this one. Let's say you have 5x squared minus 9 plus 8x squared minus 8x minus 9. Okay, in this scenario, we are adding. We are adding. Okay, when you add, let's put a little note out here. When you add, just drop the parentheses. When you add, just drop the parentheses. That's all you have to do. So, here we go. I normally suggest this. Just rewrite the problem. 5x squared minus 9 plus 8x squared minus 8x minus 9. Okay? Here we go. Highest power is 2. That's 5x squared plus 8x squared. That's nothing more than 5 plus 8. What's 5 plus 8? 13. So you would write what? 13 what? X squared. Now, here's the thing. Look at this. Oh, here's 1 to the first power. Is there anything to combine it with? Yes or no? No. So this is what you do. This is negative x 8x. Remember, sign in front. So it's minus 8x. You just rewrite it. And the last one is you've got your constants, negative 9 minus 9. In your calculator, you would put negative 9 minus 9. What would that give you? Do it. Negative 9 minus 9 would give you what? Yeah, negative 18. So you would just write minus 18. So those are the two types, adding and subtracting. But we're going to do some more. Now, I'm going to show you this. All right, here's the thing. When you type in your answer, you would go ahead and go 13x. Now, to get the exponent, click this button. You would click this button right here. There's your square. Now, you can just hit the right arrow button, which I didn't do. So that'd be 13x squared minus, and this we know to put in 8x minus 18. All right, write that problem down right there. 4x squared minus 8x plus 6, oops, all in parentheses, minus 2x plus 8 in parentheses. Okay, there it is, right there. What did I tell you have to do with the minus when it's subtraction? You got to distribute. Okay, rewrite the left side. 4x squared minus 8x plus 6. Now, a negative times 2x makes that minus 2x. A negative times 8 makes that minus 8. Now, here we go. Uh-oh, we only have one. The highest power is 2. But there's nothing to combine it with. So you just rewrite it in your answer. 4x squared. And yes, you're gonna have to do it on paper because I want to see it. Now, here we go. Negative 8x, negative 2x. So in your calculator, all you have to do is put negative 8 minus 2. That's negative 10. So it's minus 10x. Don't forget the variables. Now, the last thing, your constants. Plus 6, negative 8. So that's 6 minus 8. So that would be negative 2. So it's minus 2. There's your answer right there. 4x squared minus 10x minus 2. Questions how I'm getting these? Let me type in our answer. Okay, remember this. 4x hit this button, and then type 2. Hit your right arrow to get out of it. Then it's just minus 10x minus 2. There's your answer. Okay, write that one down. This brings up a good point here that I want to talk about. 2x squared minus 6x plus negative 9x squared plus 5. All right, everybody got that down? Well, if not, let me see it on mine. All right, here we go. There it is. Now, remember what I told you? When you add, you just do what? Drop the parentheses. So you just basically rewrite it. 2x squared minus 6x. But look at this. Plus negative. What is that going to make it? Negative. Yeah. So it's still minus 9x squared plus 5. There you go. This one's going to be real easy. 2x squared minus 9x squared. 2 minus 9 is negative 7, but don't forget the variable. Negative 7x squared. Here's the other thing. Negative 6x is the next power. There's nothing to combine it with, so we just rewrite it as minus 6x. We only have one constant, positive 5, so it's plus 5. There's your answer right there. We good? All right, let's go here. I want you to try this next one on your own. Let me put in the answer. Negative 7x. Here's your exponent button right there. Hit 2, right arrow. Then it's minus 6x plus 5. Okay. Try this one on your own. It's subtraction. See if you can get this one. Remember, it's subtraction, so you got to distribute. You have to distribute there. That's what you should have gotten when you distribute the negative sign. Oops, smooth this. Now, combining like terms. Coefficient in front of here is 1. So this is 1 minus 7x squared, which gives you negative 6x squared. Then you had negative 6x, negative x. That's negative 1. Negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. So it's minus 7x. Then you had 9 minus 8, which is just 1, and it's positive. How do we do on those? We good? Y'all need to see another one?